A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Who you belong to? Whose child are you? Who is your father? Who for pitney you be? While you're thinking about all of that, I am inviting you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 8 from verse 21 to verse 59. Then Jesus said to them again, say, me a go and you no go and look for me, but you no go and dead in a uno sin. You can't come where part me a go. When say, make the Jew leader them start ask. I kill him, go and kill himself. Make him a say, where part me a go? You can't come. But Jesus go and talk, and him said to them, say, you come from down a bottom, yeah. Me come from heaven, up a top. You come from the world, yeah. Me no come from ya. And that make me say to you say, you going dead in a you sin them. Because if you no believe who me say me be, you go dead in a you sin them. So them ask, who you? The same somebody me tell you from the start. Jesus said to them, me have enough other sitting for say and for judge you no for. But the Father will send me, talk the truth. And when me hear him say, me tell the people them in the world. But then they understand when did I tell them say about him Father. So Jesus said, when you lift up the man where God pick pan the cross, at them time they, you go and know, say me who me say me be. And that me no do nothing for my own, but that me talk only when my Father teach me. The one will send me turn with me. In name make me turn for my own. Cause me ever I do will make him happy. Same time I talk about them sitting there. Enough people start believing in him. Jesus said to the Jew them, we come from Jerusalem and we trust in him. Say, if we no go and do this sitting them when we teach, we no me follow them for true. We no go and know the truth, and the truth going free, you know. Them answer him and say, we are Abraham Pickney, and we never nobody's slave before. So how come you fear say the truth going free, you know? Jesus answered them and say, me I tell you no for true. Everybody will sin, a sin slave. One slave not turn in a one family forever. But one boy picnic are always part of a family. So if the boy picnic free uno free for true. Me know say una Abraham picnic. But even though una Abraham picnic, uno still want to kill me. Cause when me a teach you say, no touch no heart. Me a tell you when me see, when me there around my Father. But do uno hear the Father say, Abraham a few Father. Then he said to Jesus, if uno did a Abraham picnic, Jesus said, then uno would have do what Abraham do. But now, uno a try to kill me. Somebody will talk the truth in them when hear God talk about. Abraham name do nothing like that day. Uno a do the sit them where uno own a father do. We are no bastard pitney. The people them shout back and say to him, "A God himself are the only father we have." But Jesus said to them, say, "If God did a uno father for true, uno would have loved me. Can me come from God and now me there. Me no come here upon my own. Him send me. When me couldn't understand what me I say, I true can't really see true when me I tell you say. Uno belong to uno father, the devil. And uno want to do the sin them when no father want to do. Him did a murderer from the start and have nothing to do with the truth. Cause him no say or have nothing to do with the truth. When him tell lie, him just attack or him turn. Cause him a liar and him are the father for all lie. But true me tell you the truth, you no believe in me. Which one out of all of you can show say me guilty and no sin? If me de tell you the truth, what make you no believe me? Them we belong to God, hear what God say. You can't see true what me say, cause you no belong to God. The Jew people them from Jerusalem answer him say, "Not truth we talk when we say you are one Samaritan and you have demon in you." Me no have no demon in me, Jesus say. Me respect my father, but uno no show me no respect. Me no try to make people big me up, but you have somebody who want people to big me up, and him are the judge. Me I tell you no for true, anybody will do me teach, nah go dead. When the Jew people them from Jerusalem hear this here, hear them, and now we know say you have demon in you. Abraham and the prophet them dead. And you are say anybody will do when me teach now go dead. You know bigger than we father Abraham were dead. The prophet them dead too. Who you say you be? Jesus answered them say, if me big up myself, that they big up there, no what nothing. For me father, the one where uno say a fool of God, him are the one who big me up. Uno no know him, but me know him. If me did fi say me no know him, me would have lie like uno. But me know him, and me do him say. Uno father Abraham did glad when him see fi me dear age. Him see it and did glad both where him see. You know even reach 50 yet. The Jew them said to him, and you are talk about say, you see Abraham? So Jesus said to them, say, me they tell you no fi true. Say before Abraham did born, me they bout. When them hear this, them pick up a rock stone fi fling off of him. But him hide away and go away from where God house did they. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.